Welcome back to Burger. This is the first video of 2022, and let me tell you, we're bringing this one in with a bang, a big bang. We're gonna cook on the Wildfire 4-in-1 grill. We're going to cook a gold grade Wagyu Tomahawk steak from Snake River Farms. It's almost like a 3.75 pounder. This baby is a monster. It was a generous gift from one of my clients from a day job, and I thank them. They know who they are. And we're also cooking that steak on a special type of charcoal, a charcoal called Binchotan charcoal. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not. Binchotan from Jealous Devil. My buddy Kyle from Stetson Brothers Hardware. It's an Ace hardware store in my town, and he got this in for me, and I'm gonna cook it. This video is dedicated to Kyle. Let's see how the Binchotan cooks. Now, Binchotan charcoal is kind of an interesting thing. So it's made by blasting Japanese oak over 2,000 degrees. And I think the Jealous Devil people have found a way. They don't use Japanese oak. They actually use a hardwood from Paraguay, I think. I don't remember the name of it. I'll put it in the description below. But it is from Paraguay. It's apparently one of the hardest hardwoods on the planet. And they have made Binchotan charcoal out of this. It cooks hard, it cooks hotter, it cooks longer, it cooks more evenly. But I haven't cooked with it yet, so we're gonna test all these things, and I'm just gonna cook with a little bit of it to see how this does. And oh, by the way, it's only 20 degrees outside, so a good test for this hot stuff. First thing we notice about this charcoal is that it burns white. There's literally no fire. I don't see smoke. This is crazy. Yeah, that's hot. When you're dealing with a huge piece of meat like this, don't be afraid to hit it with a lot of salt. You're gonna lose a lot of salt as soon as you throw it on the grill, but this is a humongous piece of meat. I mean, look how thick that mama is. All right, so we're just gonna sear this real quick right over the coals. Once we get a good sear, then we're gonna move it off the coals and let it cook off of the radiant heat. This is how cold it is. The fat from the bone is coming out, but then freezing, turning into its own like fatsicle. It's a fatsicle!